This is at the Bridgeport Art Center. This is a giant freight, or a giant elevator. What the hell? Whoa. What the? Oh my God. This thing is massive. Holy crap. This elevator is kind of slow. Damn. This side. Oh, look. I guess both sides open up. Ooh. It's like an event space, I guess. All right, down to B and BR. Capacity is 8,000 pounds. Not crazy big for how big this elevator is. Watch these big doors open. Oh, sorry. Going down? Going down?
No, I'm just cutting through.
Oh. Well, there you go.
Had to do it.
I guess this elevator doubles as a walkway. All right then. Oh my God, this thing is massive. Jesus, this thing's huge. Anyway, Walnut Spaceship, whatever that is, that will be it.